Gray clouds gather where your smile once shone. I walk alone on streets we used to own. Every drop feels like your gentle tears, falling slowly, echoing my fears. I try to hide, I try to move on, but the storm reminds me that you're gone. Rain on my heart, it falls for you. Every teardrop whispers what I can't undo. The sky cries softly, and so do I. Underneath the clouds, I ask why. Rain on my heart, it won't let me be. A constant reminder of what we used to be. Carries your laughter through the trees, a haunting melody that brings me to my knees. I reach for warmth, but it slicks away. The storm inside me, you won't let me stay. Every memory drenches my soul. Every thought of you takes control. Rain on my heart, it falls for you. Every teardrop whispers what I can't undo. The sky cries softly, and so